What's up, Pyro Nation? This is my first ever, I guess you could say, the true post video, of my, I guess, my last 2013 stash. This is my very first video that I'm making for YouTube. So, you know what, I don't even know where to, start. My bad, that's on my dirty clothes, but, yeah, let's get into it. But, here I got some Black Cat bottle rockets, some Screaming Cracklers rockets. These are actually pretty good. I actually like these. Got them at Red Apple, and then got some regular Blackjack video or Blackjack. No, I got these at Blackjack. This is a Ninja brand. Got some more little small stuff in here. Twister sticks, ground bloom flowers, crackled. This is the same thing, but this is just wrapped differently. Got some firecrackers, poppets, crackling balls. Got some of these one-piece firecrackers. These are complete ass. They don't make M80s anymore. It's just one of these put in here, so ain't really nothing up in there. But here's pretty much to my I guess the big stuff. I don't really got any cakes, but I'm gonna get some more. But I got some. I think these are about big. How much is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 7 of these red ball shells. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of these little. I think I got these in assortment, I believe. And then the X-Cals. Personally, I think these are probably the best ones. But you know what? There's probably, you guys could probably prove me wrong. I don't know. There's probably better ones out there. I think I like the crackling ones the most. And I love purple. But these are 2013 Excaliburs, so I want to pick up some new ones. But I'm probably gonna hit up Red Apple, Alien, and Blackjack too. Probably around June, or no, probably this month. Probably like in 2 weeks or something. I'm gonna go hit it up. Gonna buy a crap load. But that's pretty much it for my first video. Alright, subscribe, like, do all that good stuff. Support me. Thanks.